This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Loops Theater District, just a short block south of the fabulous Riverwalk, for a tour of one of the apartments at the landmark Century Tower. I've just walked into a convertible one-bedroom on the 15th floor. It's an open plan unit with high ceilings, mix of tile and plank flooring in the living, dining, kitchen areas. This is one of the units that has not yet been upgraded, but it has pretty appealing finishes, even as is. It was a condo conversion not that long ago. It's good cabinet and counter space. Turning around past the living area, looking toward the bathroom. Again, attractive finishes. What you're looking at here is one of the most, if not the most, attractively priced properties in the Loop and surrounding areas. Heading toward the bedroom area, it's modeled with a queen-size bed, 2 nightstands, and there's a wide closet. If you're looking for a close to work, close to the Riverwalk location, excellent access to public transit, dining, nightlife, River North nightlife just a short walk across the bridge. You really have to put Century Tower on your must-see list, and you're going to be surprised at how affordable it is. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.